Hello everyone. This is a devlog. I'm going back to my old project. I don't know what I'm gonna name this video, but feel free to watch me suffer on this if you want. So yeah, what I'm doing here is this is my old game. It's a survival game. This game is very different from the other game I'm making, and I found there's a bug here with this. And you may ask, well, what this bug even is all about at all. So I'll show you when I start the game, there's a problem with the profile savings. So there's this long loading time for this game. It's a really big game. Yeah, so this is the function that was very problematic, and every time it loads 0. And I realized the reason for why that happens is because we're having an issue with yeah, it's getting all this data even gets unsaved. I think it has something to do um, with the pause menu. I didn't have all this problem always. Just now it's something new that happened to me. Mm, so for example here, it's loading with 0. I go on audio, it's full, as if I never changed anything. But what if I change something here? And let's say I put it to 0 like this, and then I open it back up again, and it saves right properly. It saves properly. So I'll save this one, and now you will see that it's actually gonna do something really weird, where if I go inside of here, it's gonna save twice. So this is gonna be, I'm saving again. So I'm saving once. And so look at this. I open this one up. Yeah, now you have the right proper data. And if I go again, oh wow, so there's no problem really. Wow, okay. When I open it again though, I think now it's gonna go to the saving. Yeah. Why is this one saving? It should not be saving at all. When you open the menu, it should not be saving. So this is really what the problem is, I think, here. Yeah, so I'm putting some data here that is empty data. When I open the pause menu, it's really weird. And I didn't find anything inside of the pause menu. When you create this pause menu, you press escape and you create a pause menu. And there's nothing inherently bad here in this one. Um, from what I've seen here, if I try to search this one, find references, name, hmm, us here, okay. So first of all, we got this one, okay. And you gotta uh, realize that this is, when you check this one, you check it true equals load. So this is not a problem. This will not never be a problem. This one is also false equals save. Yeah, because it should save, right? It should save. You're getting this data. Oh, but wait a minute. Maybe this data is false, right? Maybe this data is false. Maybe you're not getting actually the proper data here. So we need to, I guess, maybe inspect that one as well. And that's really the only things where I could see a problem being created. True equals load. So this is also load. This is not really a save. This should not be causing any problems. But what if I do something like set this uh, game sensitivity and FOV data here? We could try this later, but we have also like many widgets inside of here. So we could try to inspect some of these widgets here, like audio, video settings, and control settings, right? So this is graphics, this is music, and this is control settings. And it could be things inside of here causing issues when these, because you open this and this pause menu, this entire pause menu, has many things associated and attached to it, right? So that could be problematic. And and I'm gonna try to inspect every single one of them. Control, graphics, right? Um, So. Oh, so here I'm changing the font size? What? Really? I didn't even know that. Oh wow, so I'm actually changing the font size based on, yeah, based on the screen settings and mode and stuff like that. Font size of some data probably. Yeah, let's try to save a check where this one's at. Because sometimes Unreal Engine feels like endless work, but yeah, we'll manage it. Wow, I just realized just now something weird going on here. Never should we have unconnected things like this. So false equals save, yeah, right. False equals save. So this is gonna save empty data. Now it's not saving an empty data because we fixed it. And all the rest of them seem to be sharing the same thing. So alright. File save. I think we solved that. We solved it just now. Okay. So this is from the previous issue. Options control. Apply. Boom. Now open again. No. This is not it. This is not it. So we still got more going on. Yeah, so we're setting this here. False equals save, yeah. Nothing's unchecked here, so let's see. Save. I'm gonna put another breakpoint here. Full save false, so it's gonna skip this guy. It's gonna go save profile. Yes, so if it's yes, it's gonna save the profile to the user profile. And we're gonna make sure we open that user profile the next time again. I press close it down. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's going again on this thing. Yeah, right. So pause menu. Let's inspect really what's happening here. I guess this is the only thing you open up. Right. So, where's it coming from? I don't really understand still. Still don't understand. Event construct, I guess, okay. True load. It should go to load, right? It should go to load. I don't get it. So, wow, it goes again here. Why is it going so many times on the load thing? Okay. Here's tell you what. Wow, so first it opens the save somehow. So there's something else that causes it. There's also something else that causes it. This is so. Is there a pre-construct somewhere? Is there a pre-construct somewhere? Is it the slots? True equals safe. Whoa. Okay. Is it the slots? Because we also have these slots inside. Hold on. We're gonna also inspect the frick out of this. Slot button pressed. No, I didn't press anything yet, so it's gonna be on the construct here. True, false, false save. True equals load, so this is load. So we're gonna also put a breakpoint here to see which one is opening it up first. And we're gonna press play button and try to check again. First save. Okay, so this is not saved at all. Or I didn't save yet actually, so it should not be saved. New game. Come on. Let's go, guys. Let's go, lads. Optionen. Adionen. Wow, the Adionen is the Speichern. It's saved. Gespeichert. I don't know. Alright. Set the FOV. Shut up. You're gonna set the wrong FOV. Oh, he actually works. Works it out pretty well. Full save. Alright. Well, you better not hit this button many times then. Because I see you right now. I have a breakpoint on you. I'm gonna shoot you if you do. If you ruin my plans. Okay, you didn't ruin my plans. Congratulations. I didn't close you yet, so... Or I didn't open you yet, actually. So I need to open you first. Open you up. Why are you getting inside of the save when I'm not trying to save, literally. So first it goes in here, and it's not even from the slots. It's not even coming... It's not even some problem coming from the slots at all. Dude, this is the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Is there a way, any way I can debug it? Because I don't know where it's coming from. I'm just looking at these widgets, and I don't see nothing that could be causing this. And now I just have like something stuck on my screen from the debugging. Jesus, that is cursed. Okay. So guys, does anyone have any idea about this? Because I don't. I freaking don't. I'm just honestly kind of scared of this project because it has so many weird things going on. But I'm more scary than this project, so I promise you I'll be scary in a little bit. So. Full save. This BB game, yeah, where is this from? Where's it coming from? What is this? What's your resolution? Wow. I think now I realize what could be causing the problems. How's save? Yeah, dude. It's probably this one. Come on. Like, what is this data here? What's your resolution? So this is true, false, true load, false save. Dude, I just realized something. This isn't event construct. What if I take it out of event construct? It's not on, so it's not on event construct because there's a lot of problems with that thing right there. There's a lot of problems. Once I realized that when you're doing this question, what's your blah blah blah? It's asking you what's your blah blah blah. It goes into saving it immediately, and I have all those things. What's your window size? What's your vsync settings? What's your graphic settings? What's your what blah 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 settings? Okay, so these settings are actually, I think, problematic, right? These are the things that are probably problematic here, being problematic. So control settings. I'm gonna put both of these into this setting. Okay. Now I'm gonna start again, and boom, baby. It's no longer problematic. But now, okay, we fixed our problem, but now we somehow have to fix our text blocks here. So, what I just realized. Wow. So we are killing it right now. We're killing it. So the next thing I guess we're really gotta fix up is on construct, right? On construct, instead of doing what we were doing there, um, which is just these functions. We can create a duplicate of these functions, except only this time, instead of what's your blah 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 and saving it, we can only get the, no, I mean, save your in mode blah blah blah. Yeah, we don't need this one. We can put a boolean here. Dude, I'm a genius right now, so that's what the frick that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So b this goes right in here, right inside of here. If it's false, it goes, no. Wait, hold on. So this should go right after. This is kind of like what we did earlier with the saving system, which I love making booleans, making everything in one function, then making some booleans like that, instead of copy pasting like an entire function thing, whatever. So condition, this condition needs to have a name. Must also save. Must also save. 9. Well, if it's true, goes for only if it's true it goes forward. This should be yes, and this guy should copy paste everything like this. Should have everything like that, and then this would be false. And let's see if you have that issue on your graphic settings. Yeah, you do. So you're not gonna go inside of here at all with this and connect it. Should also save. Very simple, guys. Also save. Let's keep our life simple, guys. No need to really overcomplicate our lives. I mean, this is gonna look complicated to someone that has no idea about Unreal Engine or programming or anything like this. So it's kind of weird if you think about it. Maybe my videos are also really boring. I don't know. I'll never be able to answer this question. Save. What should also save? Personally, I really enjoy making these videos, but I don't know if any other people out there are also enjoying them. So this is one thing I need to balance out maybe, but to be honest with you, I don't like making tutorials. I just like sharing what I do. I just like sharing things like this. If it helps you seeing my videos like this, and you're getting benefit out of it, be my guest, right? So we fixed everything, and congratulations to all of us for our hard work. I'm just gonna play the game right now. And wow, this video has gotten really long. I just kind of sometimes, if the video gets really long, it takes a whole lot of time to upload it because my internet is so slow. Maybe it will take the whole day if it's like 15 minutes because I have less than half a mega bps of upload speed, which is insane. So options, controls. Yeah, I'll change these options like that. Play. Whoops. Screw you. Now options again, and everything works as intended. Unless, if we also take a look at the video settings, yep, everything works, guys. Just everything works. Come on. We're doing a fucking amazing job. Congratulations, everyone.